Supercharge your IF function with and or hey code wizards. Today we're leveling up our IF game by combining it with and or. Get ready to tackle those tricky conditions like a pro. Sometimes one condition just isn't enough. That's when and or join the party. With and, all conditions must be true. With or, just one will do the trick. Here's a scenario. You want a snack, but only if you're hungry and it's before 8 p.m. In code, we say if is hungry equals sign true and current time, 20 o'clock, grab snack. What if you're hungry or it's your cheat day? Then Oregon comes into play. If is hungry equals sign true, vertical bar is cheat day equals sign true, grab snack. Crushed it! If this helped clear things up, smash that like button and subscribe for more. Any questions? Comment below. Keep coding and stay awesome. We'll catch you in the next short. Until then, happy coding.